Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your mesh model and firmware so you reset the right device. This avoids mismatches later. Once done, back up or note SSIDs and passwords because reset clears custom settings. Make sure to power cycle the primary unit to clear transient errors, then press and hold the reset pinhole for 10 seconds with a paperclip until LEDs flash. This initiates factory reset. You'll see the system reboot. Wait for stable LEDs before proceeding to reconfiguration to avoid partial resets. You now handle the satellite nodes. Reset each one individually using the pinhole so they start fresh and won't inherit previous mesh mappings. Once they reboot, open the TP-Link app and select Add Device. Follow the step-by-step prompts to create a new mesh network and assign the same SSID if you prefer continuity. Make sure to place nodes within a 2 to 3 room range from the primary during setup so they detect the main unit reliably, and wait for confirmation LEDs before moving nodes. You finish by verifying the mesh health in the app and testing throughput in multiple rooms to confirm coverage. Once done, update firmware on every unit to ensure stability and security, and reapply your saved settings if needed. If a node stays offline, isolate it, power cycle, try a different outlet, or factory reset and re-add. Sometimes a wired Ethernet joined to the main unit fixes persistent pairing issues. Finally, reboot the whole system once to lock in settings and confirm steady LED status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.